Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another Coding Not So Everyday Until I Get a Job. This is day 128. We are almost in the, well, no, we're already past the 4 month mark with the 120, but yeah, that's awesome. Okay, so today, as the title suggested, hopefully it's already updated and edited, I'd like to continue the Moneta, my personal vibe coded expense tracker that yeah, it's been postponed for a few days. So let's continue that. I have already opened anti-gravity so that we can waste Google's money, because I am not gonna. Okay, sorry, let's just start to whatever update we get. And then yeah, again, shout out to Panda Beats with the amazing music. And yeah, so okay, to be honest, I forgot what was the last thing that we did. If I'm not mistaken, there's a lot of uh commits that's not been yet merged. So I think let's see what was that all about. Um yeah, it's gonna take a while. And I was experimenting a little bit this evening with OpenCode. Like I install it on Windows because I couldn't really found the correct way on the docs. Well, actually, yes, that there is, but just yeah. So basically, I end up using Scoop as the installer or package manager, and then install the open code from there. But yeah, I kind of wanna. It's either open. So the thing is, as you know, if I use any VS Code fork or any VS Code or any of its forked when coding and streaming, it took around 2 GB to 3 GB of RAM, as plus like opening the dev server with some. Okay, you know what? I think it's just because I'm using Next.js. It's just such a memory hog. I was thinking of just trying to use NeoVim and then using OpenCode, or we can try Zed, because I believe one of uh, our amazing viewer, Mr. Francois, recommended to use Zed. At that time, it wasn't available for Windows, but right now it is available for Windows. So I might use that tomorrow. And if I'm not mistaken, in Zed you can actually put like your own API key or connect it to Gemini CLI or Coin or something like that. I'm not entirely sure, but let's see how that goes. And yeah, I guess we should continue. Okay, the last commit was the core feature of income and expense, which we already added that, or Claude fixed that for us. And then this is for the dashboard visualization. So if I'm not mistaken, we're using IO. We're using 10-stack router, and then Hono as the backend, and then linting formatting. Okay, PWA, I guess. Okay, I remember. Okay, yeah, we were fixing the visualization of the main web, and then if we go into the routes, the authenticated, it is the index, which is basically this one, the what's it called again? The main, actually, like the main dashboard. So let's run some. Okay, I forgot. That's the lint command of the package.json. We can do, it's not pnpm lint anymore, it's going to be check, because we're using biome check. I'm gonna need to do that. Okay, pnpm check. And if I'm not mistaken, there is a lot of errors, so that before we want to merge, let's fix a lot of this. And if I'm not, no, it was a lot of the mistake was from Shatsi-N, and yeah, okay. Use exhaustive dependencies. This hook specifies more dependencies than necessary. Okay. The thing is, this is from the Shatsi-N itself. I don't know why that happened. Okay. There we go. Okay. Missing radix parameter. Okay. Let's just ask compared to the Gemini, okay, you know, let's try Gemini high, but we Gemini low, but we make it fast. Yeah, okay. So the first, before merging, this is before merging this feature branch, I want to eliminate all, I'd like to eliminate all linting error. Let's do it one by one for the, which part is this? Not the website, for the authenticated, and then index. It's missing radix parameter. Okay. Okay, missing radix parameter. Let's just copy this. It actually says fixable. Can I run any like fix command that is able to do that? Let's read the biome docs actually. Docs. Biome is best installed as development dependency of your project, but it's also available as standalone stable that doesn't require Node.js. Can run with zero config. You want to tweak sound to suit your project needs, in which case you can run the following command to generate biome.js. Okay, the biome.js is already configured from the better T stack, so hopefully this is like already good, I guess. Formatable files, specific files, okay. Let's go to the linter. Linter statically analyze your code to find and fix common errors, and to help you write better modern code is provided. Language will provide a total of 388 rule. You can try biome linter. If you pass a globe, sorry, enforce or deny a code style. Rules that start with use are meant to enforce or suggest something, while rules that start with no are meant to deny something. When a rule encounters a violation of its concept, it emits a diagnostic. Holy, okay, for example, the no debugger denies the use of debugger statement in JavaScript code, and it emits a diagnostics when it finds one. Biome linter ships with a set of recommended rules that varies based on languages, which are enabled by default when you, okay, let's zoom it a bit. Each lint rule ships with default severity, which you can learn more about by reading documentation. For example, the neighborhood is part of suspicious group. Biome supports language agnostic rules. Those are rules that work across more than one language, such as no useless escape in string. Unlike other linters, Biome doesn't provide any rules that checks for code formatting. The Biome formatter is intended to handle all formatting decisions. Many rules provide a code fix that can be automatically applied. Save fixes and save fix, which works slightly different. The main difference is that save fix can be automatically applied when saving file, while unsave fix. Okay, so this is what I want to know. What does this like fixable? And what about like what are the difference between the fixable and no? So we know that this is no ban type. It's the different groups that denies a rule while they use to enforce or suggest something. So okay, is it just like a nomenclature? Is it? Yeah, I guess that is okay. In many cases, you want to change the linter based on your personal needs or the needs of your organization project. Allows you to customize the linter. In this section, you will learn how to do it. Okay, you can turn off. Okay, let's see the biome. In here we have just the schema configuration. Just okay. VCS, set professional biome VCS enabled client kit. Ignore unknown, false. Includes next is definitely said VS code includes. Okay, I guess this is just a the regular thing. This is enabled, and then style tab. It's fine, I don't mind. Use exhaustive enables the rule and it will emit a diagnostic with information severity. It's the one that we just read. Sorted classes. Enforce the sorting of CSS utility classes. Okay, will it like automatically do that for us? This is all the rules, and the group is style. I would assume, or is it this is the group, and this is part of the. Never mind. Codes style double. Okay, CSS partial calendar is okay. So we can actually customize this, and this is where we actually need it, right? Okay. The thing is, I want to know what is fixable mean. Okay, let's read the no document cookie, no band types, no unused variables. This variable theme is unused. There is a lot of stuff. Okay, let's just do that. You know, let's just fix it. Okay. Missing radix parameter. If okay, the thing is, it says that unsafe fix. What does unsafe fix supposed to mean? Oh my god, seriously? I could just... Sorry guys. You know, sorry. I apologize. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's already solved. It's fine. That's why you should just read the linter. It's okay. Please just stop. Don't waste credit. Okay, the app sidebar have a theme that is not being used. Is it something? Okay, let's do... Can I just delete it, or do I need it to use the theme thing? Use the theme hook. Okay. Like, can I just delete it, or is it gonna be update? It's gonna update some states or something. Oh my god, okay. Just deleting them. Okay, fine. This is by itself. This is, I could actually ignore all this UI one. Avoid using, okay, this one. Avoid using the index of an array key as property in element. It's even able to... Let's see if there's any other index error. No, that is it. Okay. Okay. This is such a comprehensive docs that I don't know if I'm... Maybe, yeah, I need to get like paid first if I wanna like go through this, because this is crazy. There is a Z extension, so that's cool. Oh. Is it there? Come on, man. It's not what I want. That I didn't. Should I download? Should I download? Should we download and test it and play with it? Because if it's lighter, it would really help. Okay, it's still doing its thing. No, just reject that one and just continue with this one. Just stop thinking about this one. Okay, let's just use Gemini Claude Sonnet. Okay. Fix this lint error so I can commit. It is on 272G. No, it's not. It's not 272. Is it the same index? Okay, which index is it? Okay, this is not the index. I thought it was just the index. Oh, okay. That's very nice of you. Okay. Previously we have 4 errors, 3 warnings, 3 infos. Let's try to run it again. Four errors, 2 warnings, and 3. Okay, a lot of this is just okay. This doesn't work. Okay, that just doesn't really change anything, is it? Does it? I don't know. I think we can just... I'm not entirely sure. There's a lot of those errors mostly came from like the chassis, and I know it's because like you shouldn't use random packages with all those TypeScript errors, but you know what? It's fine. Let's try to see if it could run. Okay, cool. I actually forgot. Visit test. No, it's not. Sorry, let me check the n variable. Okay. I need to let's just do that. I don't know if Postgres is turned on or not. I hope it is. Now the thing is, can I Dockerize this, like both, and then just like deploy it using one, like Docker file? Because I guess that would be just easier and better. Because I want to use my VPS anyways, since I'm the one that's going to be using it. Damn, PG admin took like 30 seconds. No, it took like 2 minutes to run. Oh shit, it's not running. That's why it's not working. Tables. Can I not see the tables user? Do I need to use like table plus though? I can't, I don't have enough RAM to open. Oh, sorry, no, the issue was that the database was not working. Now it's supposed to be working, okay? It should be working now. Are you serious? Which account did I use, bro? T E E E E E E. I'm opening table plus, bro, because I couldn't. I don't know why it doesn't work. Okay. Let me get the connection string and not leak it. Well, it's only for testing anyways. It doesn't matter. Postgres create name moneta go. Can I just use URL right away? I did use the test. Why is it not working? Test at moneta.com. What password did I use for that then, if it's not that one? This one have that income, but it's from different user ID, right? So that's fine. Expenses, category, yeah, this is both from, oh, okay. Okay. No, let's just exit, no, it's fine. We can close it. Jeez, okay. Salary, income, okay, this one is just the type. So that is already correct. Actually, yeah, it's just income and expense. That's it. The table is not that. No. Okay. Chill out, bro. Chill out. Okay. The connection is not that complicated. You can close it. Ah, sorry. This is... I don't have dashboard. There we go. Okay. I think there is a redirect somewhere that I do not want. What does it go to slash dashboard? I don't need this header, to be honest. I could just like delete it. Ah, there we go. On success. I do not want it to go here. I want it to go straight into the thing. It's in the sign up form, and in sign in form, let's do that as well. So we can just right away. Okay, this is the APIs dashboard. Okay, this is not that. Okay, we can just close all, and then let's try to do it again. Let's do log out again. Let's do sign in. There we go. Nice. Okay, cool. So, I just realized the colors are terrible, but it's fine. So what else do I need again? No, right? Nothing else. This is like, what is quick create? I could just, what is quick create one? And if this is the dashboard, what is quick create? Okay, so god damn it. Okay, you know what? Dark. Let's just use dark because this is a terrible color. I just realized. You know, let's just use Twixian again and find a better color with better font. Okay, when you look at it like this, it looks okay, but when you try it, let's just few examples and use the one that is already like good examples. Let's do nature. How about we do nature? I think this is much better. Or Kodama oh, that looks fancy. Okay, elegant luxury, whatever that is. Solar dusk. Oh, I like that. Okay, super base. Hell no. Okay, right now let's just find a good theme. You know. Oh no, this is I. This is a bit too mono. This is a bit too bright. Oh hell yeah, I like this. But oh, should I do Neo Brutalis or Soft Pop? T3 chat versus hell no. Hell no. Oh, this looks nice. Okay, let's go back to the example. Which one should we try? Maybe we can do nature. The nature looks nice. Mochamoose. Mochamoose looks nice. Capuchin. Let's not do Capuchin. Actually, Capuchin dark is really, really nice. This is also really nice. Maybe we can do claymorphism. Let's do claymorphism. Start customizing. I'm just gonna ask for your code, by the way. So let's just copy all of this and just change our current one because it looks terrible. We only need to change this. Yeah, sorry. I'm not that good at picking colors, I guess. I can do that. You can just copy this. Is it copied? Yes. Then we enter, and then we will see how that looks. Probably gonna look so much better. Okay, it just looks much better, actually. Yeah, you know what? Let's just do this. Yeah, let's just do this. It's much better, but I prefer light mode, I guess. Is it me or just like the shadow is a bit too much for me? Maybe we can decrease the like the shadow. Never mind. It's actually, I think a lot of people. Okay, never mind. Shadow L. It looks like it's choosing shadow LG a lot. Let's look at the income page. Let's look up the expense page. Let's look at the dashboard. Okay, and then the other things that I actually wanted to add was that like another okay. Okay, okay. I think what we could do is I kind of want to have a pie chart that last 30 days. That's 7 days? Nothing. Last 30 days, probably the best. I don't like the font. Let's change the font. Do you have a mono font? How can we just use the mono font if we do that? Will it use the mono font? No, it doesn't. Okay. I see. Wait, we can go to here, but we could choose a different. Laura Robotomono. What if I want to use Robotomono? Okay, maybe if we, let's just say we have another expense today, and then the amount is like maybe like 6 zeros, and it's for groceries. It's to Aldi, and it's today save. How it will look on the dashboard. Okay, that is actually quite sad. I don't know if the calculation is correct or not. Oh, actually, no, it is correct. Okay. Huh. Can I use like 2 different colors for it? Okay. Cash flow. Because yeah, it's not really that representative, so there we go. That's much nicer. Okay. And I want to use euros, or is there a way? Okay. Yes, accept. Regarding the like the dollar. Nope, nope, nope. Maybe I should commit this first. Yeah, let's just commit that first after this. This I just don't want to produce this too much error anymore. That's a bit. Maybe because I started a bit late. There's not that many people, but that's okay. Huge disappointment. Oh boy. Let's see how that goes. Okay, still working on it, but it's definitely creating a context. Oh, currency context. Okay. Oh my God, that is awesome. Even included Indonesian rupiah, because maybe Claude knows I'm from Indonesia. Okay, how does Claude know? How does Claude knows that? Persist locus whenever currency changed. Holy, okay. Thank you, Claude. You are awesome. Okay, this is insane. I'm gonna commit this. This is way too much files. I'm not following the rules properly. Okay, sorry. I should add? Yeah, you know what? It's already happened. Never mind. don't need to create this, bruh. Okay. Yes, you can accept the change, but I'm not putting it there. I'm putting it. I have a docs file, docspec file. Let's just put it there. Yes, moved. Currency contacts. This is like the main thing. It's probably gonna cause us a lot of error, but it's okay. Will it build though? That's the thing. You know, it's fine. We can change it to euros. Nice. Okay. Let's make it. Let's just earn like maybe like 14. Or I don't know. Can we do multiplication? No. Let's just say I had an okay. I've never tested. Like, let's just say on the 30th of October, I paid for rent. It's for at least like 450, 450 euros rent. Uh, November rent. It should work, right? If I yeah, okay. If I even input like some old transaction, then we can go to the dashboard and bam, that is what I want, baby. That is nice. Nice, nice, nice. All in euro. Less okay, if I change to US dollars, oh no, just change it that. That's okay. Good, good, good. Ah, okay. This one has some heading issue, but it's okay. I don't mind. Damn, okay, this 10 stack router navigation feels so fucking quick. I am not using Next.js anymore, man. This is just, oh my god, okay. Hello, sorry, I couldn't see your name. Hello, Ahmad, how are you? Wait, oops. Let me, hello, I am good. How about you? By the way, if you guys want to join the Discord, it's on the description. After way too many requests. But yeah, that's basically it. Okay, if I have let's commit this first. This is just way too much. Feet. Dashboard v1. Let's just do that, you know, before actually breaking things. Okay, so basically we're still on phase 4, but we want to add some fix and add more additional stuff in the dashboard. That's what I meant. So we can go to GitHub. It's probably gonna take a while for it to work, so I'm gonna write some prompts in the meantime before it just like destroys everything. Sorry, not destroyed everything, before like I broke something. I forgot. Let's ooh, phase 4. Okay, how many branches are there? Phase 4. Okay, only 2 branch. Have I forgot to delete the phase 3? Oh no, it's the current one. Sorry. Let's compare and pull requests. I think I'm gonna ask Copilot to review and write and then write the summary, because we want to waste. Okay, is this still? Yes. Okay, so I don't think I could because I already okay, let's just run that again. First of all, I'm gonna need to make some logo just to make it more fun, you know. Let's do that. So let's do Moneta goddess. And what is like her symbol? Moneta goddess symbol. What is like the thing that is Juno. Was the title separate? It was the scales and the cornucopia. Let's I don't know what type of Juno goddess symbol. Juno Moneta, protectors of the Roman people. Shit. So I want to first add a. We can put the recent transaction below the cash flow. On the right side, we could have another. We have one bar chart. Okay, let me write it down. Let me write it down. So first we need to move the recent transaction below cash flow. Create one pie chart for percentage of categories. Number 3 is bar chart of, actually, if we can do yeah, bar chart of monthly expenses of that year. So let's, yeah, I wanna add that. And then this one I'm gonna add some logo. Juno Moneta. Okay, there's nothing here. Ooh, this looks sick. Okay, Reject all. No, it's not Juno. I want Moneta. Moneta, bro. Give me Moneta. No, no search? Okay. Too hot to handle? Was? Oh. Guinness. Oh, is it a spider name? Oh, that is sick. Okay, it is a spider name. Okay, what can we see from this spider that we could use as a logo? Nothing. Okay, never mind. Seems correct. We're just gonna need to wait Copilot for us to just do that. Let's just do that. I'm gonna need to ask some AI to make the prompt better. Okay, we cannot use the money and mint. Let's use mint symbol. Let's ask Nano Banana to make it for us. Create an image. Okay. Awesome. It's a repo for amazing Nano Banana prompt. So I think what we can do is we can Control F and then look for. We can Control F. Control. Is it still on? No, right? No. Okay. We're gonna Control F. Find logo. Logo shape bookshelf. Logo trading card. What other logos exist? Like, can we make some sort of okay, logo. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, I like this. Let's copy the prompt and then do this. Scrub our image. Euro hole at the top center. I think we can just paper card this. I don't know. Let's check. It looks pretty good. I like it that it has some sort of a metal because minting mint used to meant like actually making the coin. So that's actually pretty good. that is actually pretty fucking sick. I like it. Okay, that is actually pretty fucking sick. Oh my god. Okay, let's download it. Wow, that is cool. I like that. That is a nice prompt. Thank you. Awesome Nona Banana. And now I want to crop it. I want to crop it, so let's just do Moneta. Let's. This looks pretty fucking sick, not gonna lie. It looks pretty good. Wait, yeah, let me change it a little bit. Oh, nice. Ah, could you? I don't know if I hope it can, because I think it's pretty fucking good to be able to do that. Holy shit, that looks awesome. The thing is, if I download it, will it be truly okay, it doesn't. It's just have one of those background. Okay, that is actually not what I want, but okay, never mind. How can we make it into just the logo? Yeah. I'm gonna need to open Photoshop for that, but if I want to open Photoshop, I need to close the other stuff. So, it's gonna be hard, is it? You know what? I'm gonna put branding later. Let's just finish like the main feature first. But the thing is, Copilot is still reviewing, so it's gonna take a while. So I think we can actually open Photoshop for it. So we can close this. We can do that, right? Yes. Okay. We can close Gemini just so that we can have enough RAM to. I'm just gonna close every single software. Yeah, there is an error. Never mind. I'm just gonna do that later. Sorry. Actually, no, we do not want to go there. Claude.ai, is it? I don't know, because Cloud app doesn't really have a good reach. What do you call it? Which account do I use? Is it this one? No, no, it's the other one because I need to verify, right? Yes, it's my other email. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's probably why I get scam emails every single time. Okay, meet Opus. No, 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 I don't want to. I don't want to Opus. I want more models. I think we can just use the hike. No, 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 no. Okay, Sonnet can go. Okay. I'm making a expense tracker app and currently developing with AI. I wanted to add this new feature and later attach the needed file for better context. How could I structure the above prompt better so the LLM would understand and do the task properly? I mean, like, ask the AI itself, right? Okay, here's a better structure prompt for the LLM. I'm building an expense tracker. I need to implement this feature. I'll attach. No, 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 no. That is actually pretty nice. Okay, so making it into a bullet point. It's actually bullet point with. No, 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 no. Okay, okay. That's actually pretty good. Okay, let's copy that. Let's just put it here and edit that to the prompt later. Yeah. Save. Oh, wow, they use Google Cloud. Didn't they use like Microsoft stuff as well? Sorry, I didn't realize the mic was on. um, do we need to like, how do we install this view code? PyChart from Rechart. Okay, do we have Rechart installed? That's what we want to have. Okay, we do have it, so we could use that using the PyCharts. And I think I want to use the PyChart donut, or just a just a regular PyChart with custom labels, I guess. PyChart with labels. Let's do this. Copy code. Regarding the pie chart, I want it to be using something like this, where yeah, okay. Pie chart, pie label. I think we just copy them and then ask the, yeah, okay. So move the recent transactions into below cash flow. Create a pie chart. Display percent breakdown. Alright. You can skip that. Missing error handling for the local storage item call. If local storage is unavailable, this will throw an error and crash the application. Consider wrapping local storage in try catch block. Let's add that. Is it dynamic? Yeah, okay. Before merging. Yeah, that's from. Oh, actually, that's not that much. Okay. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay, we can create git checkout. That's B phase 4.1, I would say, or like 4.2. Update style. Did that work? Switch to branch. Okay, cool. We could close this. I think Sonnet still have some stuff. Sorry, some context from the previous one. So I think we could just update them. So we can use this prompt before that we set. So what we can do is the next branch, the next feature is more about maybe we can do plan first. Maybe we can just do this horizontal, perhaps. Or you know, let's do this. Let's do this. This is a lot of things, Claude. Come on, I know you can do it. Okay. Oh wow. Thank you for making this feature. Okay, nice. Add starting balance table to schema. Update category types to include starting balance. Create relation for starting balance. Nice. Create. Okay, I forgot. We need to add. Yeah, and then endpoint for starting balance. Endpoint for that as well. Oh, I forgot about that actually. So that is supposed to be its own commit. Okay, not gonna lie. It's okay. Can't problem. Add pie chart for expenses category. Add monthly expenses part should be lower next to pie chart. This looks nice. Yeah, schema edition looks okay. And then we need to create an yeah, that could work. That could work. It's okay. That could work. That actually looks pretty okay. Except all. Should I Hello, Ignites. What's up? Hello. Couldn't see it. I don't see the couldn't see the chat. Hello. I'm trying to make a personal expense tracker. I know there's a lot of solution, there's a lot of apps already, but I just want to make my own. I want to ask Claude to make that for me. Okay, should the monthly expense budget on expense, or would you like to include some no, just expenses for the bar chart, just the expenses, because I just want to see like the total expense I spend each month. Pie chart time. Should expense category pie chart respect the same time range? Yes. Shows all time data. All time data. So the pie chart is like all time. Should we make it all time data? All time data is easier. All time data is easier because a lot of filtering needs to be. Yeah, no, it's fine. I still not very comfortable of letting the LLMs do like the migration and seeding and everything. So because I don't know, I have like bad experience with it because every single time. Good night, man. Good night. Thank you for stopping by. Yeah, Claude has been amazing, especially using what is this? Using anti-gravity. I don't know. We got no limit yet, so we're basically burning Google's money here. So thank you, Google. You can have my data, but allow me to use Claude. I don't mind. Okay, it included another enum. It included a new table for the starting balance. Yeah, and then we need to add some. Please don't run out of context. We created a pie chart that takes the data, but it needs the API first, right? So that means you need to create new stuff. It's like it's a VS Code. It's a VS Code fork from Google. So basically, well, it's if I'm not mistaken, Google bought Windsurf. So yeah, Google bought Windsurf. Windsurf is also like a VS Code fork, which is like another like cursor competitor, but I believe the Google bought Windsurf. So I think anti-gravity is just Windsurf under the hood, which is basically VS Code. So yeah, it's currently having the Gemini 3 as well as Claude for free. They don't have limit. Okay, they do have limit, but they don't really tell you of like how much limit is it, if that makes sense. Yeah, like currently I'm using Claude, but there are like Gemini 3 Pro and the Gemini. Yeah, okay. Why are you creating? Why are you creating that? Okay. I don't need this. You don't need to create this. I already know how. Because the generate creates that, the migration. There's C source schema. Have I not done any migration? Oh, I haven't done any migration. Okay. How should we done migration then? App server package.json. Oh shit. Okay. I actually don't know how we should do the migration. Ah, there we go. What should we do? So should PMDB generate, I think? Okay. I'll run the evaluation. Okay. So I think we can check the moneta.ts first. Accept this. T6 edited file. The pie chart we accept. Leisure expense categories. We're gonna create that API after this. This is the bar chart and walk through. Okay, nice. Task doesn't really change much. Close all. That should be all and accept all. Except this database migration, I could just run the pnpm-db source schema monitor. Okay, I hope I didn't fail it. pnpm-db generate. Nice, nice, nice. Huh, okay. pnpm-db migrate. Sorry, that's it. Okay. I see. Okay. This is the so I guess it's because that part there apply migration. I think if we ask it to fix the SQL file, and because yeah, I think it's because the we want to try to edit something that which is already exists. Thanks, man. Have a great rest to you, Mr. Ignite Arts, or Miss, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's trying to create it everything from scratch, but we only need to change a few, right? So it doesn't really need to do all of this. Yes, you can please Claude directly change. Okay. Okay, I guess that's just it. Okay. This should work without errors. After migration exit, you can also manually insert the default categories. Okay. Nice. Okay. It works. Okay, maybe could you make have a TVC. I think it's gonna not work. It's actually work. Okay, cool. Okay, that's not good. Okay. Okay. Let's use Gemini Pro, but make it fast anti-modulation. Say, please continue with the task and does it know? Yes, nice. Okay. Okay, the music stopped. What's wrong? Oh, we already finished the playlist. Nice. Okay. Hello, hello. Not yet. Hello, Yahoo. Hello, Heisenberg Gel. Still no job, man. Still trying. Still streaming over here. But yeah, it is what it is, I guess. I don't mind. It's just that it gets a bit of it's starting to be winter again, and the sun isn't shining as much. The winter depression kind of getting hit here, but still alive, still breathing, still enjoying some amazing music, still being able to stream and use AI. So that is a huge blessing. So that I'm super grateful, even though yeah, the job still searching. Okay, we update the index because we need the starting balance API route. We added the starting balances. Actually, yeah, it does. Okay. Hello, Nisha. Nisha Joishi. Hello, welcome. Yes, it's TypeScript. This is this is just for my own use, so I don't mind with full on vibes. Yes, bro. Yes, but this project is only like for my personal use, so I really don't mind. I really don't mind that this is just full on vibes because nobody's gonna use it except me. Okay, the API is not working as well as the month. So yeah, okay, this is not working yet. This is still too big, but nevertheless, it looks okay. I don't know why. Uh, we don't have this amount here yet by the category. Is it because the day is not enough? Let's check the server. Okay. Okay, it's been 2 hours. I think I'm gonna continue again tomorrow. Um, sorry, 0 and breakdown by category, no expenses data available. Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna fix it tomorrow. It's fine. Once we get another credit, because not gonna lie, I'm already too tired as well. Yeah, but yeah, it is what it is. We added a few more things, but we need to still fix a lot of things. It's not in the right track, I would say. But yeah, I'm gonna keep trying again tomorrow. This is just pure on vibes here. We're not really coding or learning anything. But maybe on Saturday or on Sunday, I want to go back to learning some JS basics. So yeah. Once again, thank you very much for watching. I hope everyone have a great and amazing day. I hope everyone have a great Friday night. No, tomorrow is Friday. Yeah, hopefully everyone have a great Friday night. And yeah, I will continue learning. All today, I'm not really learning much, just based on pure vibes here. But yeah, I really want to start the DSA again and just like not be dumb because of AI. Because not gonna lie, I feel like I couldn't really done this without AI, and that's terrible. But yeah, let's figure this stuff out. Okay, maybe the mic setting is a bit too much. How about that? Okay. How about that? That is a bit too low. Maybe something like this would do. Okay. See you guys tomorrow on Orange.